Hi guys, so I want to welcome another baby to my home. His name is Malachi. Can y'all see Malachi? Oh, he is so cute. Um, so I worked on him. I got a lot of details because I'm still, y'all see the veining, his creasing, his little toes. I found these socks in a dollar store, but you see the veins in his toes and just yes, he is so cute. I did not put armature in Malachi because I do think that you get more, especially when you got the preemies and see even a veining in his leg. I think I'm getting a shadow. I think you don't get the more flexible when you put the armature in it. The armature is in Legend, but I didn't put it in him. So again, still I'm trying to learn that rooting technique, like when it comes to doing the ponytails and stuff like that, because you're using a thicker human hair, then that comes, easy to do. But when it comes to rooting this fine hair, this one is a challenge. This one is definitely a challenge. But the only way you can get great at something, you're gonna have to keep trying, and you're gonna have to keep doing it over and over and over again till you get to the point where you are comprehending what you're supposed to be doing. So it's going to be a challenge. So yeah, I'm not going to stop until I get that very fine rooting prepared. And I did get this mohair off of eBay. It's a nice vendor on eBay. So you get like a half ounce, which is very little hair. But now that I'm cutting it real short, I just take the hair and cut it in half and cut it in half. And then that's pretty much it. Let me get some conditioner for his hair. So I'm going to put some conditioner in his hair. But yes, I'm not going to stop until I get it. Like if I look at a lot of the Reborn creators, and a lot of them, I didn't want it to run down your face. A lot of them have, a lot of years. You listen to them, they say they've been doing it for 10 or more years, 10 or more, and they'll tell you they didn't get good overnight. So if there's anybody thinking about, doing reborns, you know, um, it's a journey. So practice make perfect. And if there's something you want to do, continue to do it until you feel that it's for perfection. So, like I said, I'm going to continue to do it, to learn. And so I definitely want to get that hair. And I say, ooh, I watch a lot of videos and it's still like, I haven't got the mapping, how they map out the hair, and they using that one hair per follicle. So I still haven't got that. But like I say, doing the little girl's hair, and when you're doing theirs, and you you're doing their hair, and doing a ponytails, to me that's much easier than doing it very fine and things like that. But the only way to get good at something, you have to continue to try. So when you go on eBay, you'll put in mohair. You'll put up in the mohair, and a lot of vendors will come up. And then just look for the hair that you looking for, and it comes up. So if you want curly hair, make sure it say wavy curly hair. Yeah, make sure it says that, and yeah, you'll be good. And then if they have the hair without the waves, but this is baby Malachi, and I think he's so cute. But yes, I still have to learn. I'm still learning the art of that hair. And the only way to be good at it, hey, you got to keep trying. You got to mess up a couple times. You got to pull it together again. You literally have to Keep going. And a lot of time when their mouths is made a certain type of way, it's hard to get that pacifier to be in the right position. So yes, I think he's so cute. And oh, I put those powder fresh. I put those powder fresh wafers in him, so he smells very, very good. He smells very good. But I got the fine details in his hands and in his nails, and I think he is awesome. I think he is so awesome. Baby Malachi. Yeah, he is so awesome. And here's one of his sisters. I picked up her these jeans from Target yesterday. Target. They had a sale, so the jeans was $10 and the shirt was $5. And I was like, oh, my baby needs some jeans. She needs some jeans. I haven't found her any shoes yet that I like. A lot of the shoes was bulky, big, and I'm like, I don't like it. I didn't like it, so I just gave her one little ponytail. And yes, she has on her little skinny jeans. Say hi, guys. How you doing? She has on the skinny jeans. Oh, look at them eyes. Those eyes are to die for. So, yes, I've been hard at work working on my baby. So I was talking to one of my friends, and we do our manifestation journey, and we spoke on the word, depression, and we was talking about some depression and things like that. And I told her I don't claim it anymore. I call it the D word. And for the people that know me, y'all know I went through a lot. I had my family to be killed in a triple homicide, and then shortly after my mom died. So life for me has been, topsy-turvy. But I finally found, Gino, a happy place. So I was telling my friend, I said, we got to find a happy, Gino, we got to find a happy place. And then a happy place is something that we like doing for us. It's something that makes us feel good. Gino, and you get in a happy place. So a lot of people that don't understand reborns, they might think it's weird. But to me, it's so exciting to take a blank kit and turn it into something. Like, to take this, when you get this kit, it's the kit, all the features is there, but there's no paint, there's no hair, there's nothing. The body's not put together. You bring your art to life. The realer it looked, the better you did. The worse it looked, the worse you did. So it's kind of like, you'll know if you did it right. You'll know if you did it wrong. You can look at it and you'll be like, I don't think so. Shut up, please. So this is my happy place. And I like to paint my reborns, and I love to create clothes. I like to bake cakes. So I said that God gave me gifted hands. So I like to do something with my hands. So creating is something that I love to do. So that's my happy place. When people say, where's your favorite places to go? The fabric store. Because I could go there, or Joann's, or Hobby Lobby. I can go and buy crafts and put stuff together. But this really, painting these reborns for somebody that deal with anxiety, these will be awesome for you, because you can sit down and you can paint and just find a nice place to be in, and you do your painting and stuff, and you'll be like, wow, I really enjoy doing this. So this is my happy place. This is what I like doing. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I wanted to show y'all my baby. And you guys, paint those reborns. And this kit was very inexpensive. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this one was $38, and all the parts come with it. So when you're looking for a kit, make sure you get a kit that has the head, the limbs, and the body. Don't buy head and limbs and then you got to go find the body. Try to get it in a kit together. And a lot of times the eyes will come with it. Sometimes they don't. So how you pick the eyes, if your reborn is a 20-inch reborn, when you look for the eyes, look for a 20-inch reborn eyes. So that's how you'll do the eyes. You can't get eyes bigger than 20 because they won't fit. They'll be too big. Or if you get it smaller than 20, they'll be too small. So when I get a chance, the next baby I work on, I got a baby coming today, but that one is closed eyes. So, but I'm going to show y'all a technique of popping them eyes in without trying to go through the head and insert them and all that. As long as that vinyl is heated, you know, like after you put it in the new wave oven, that vinyl's still hot, you could pop the eyeballs in from this way. Not all that hard work. I watched the lady do it, and I was like, get the heck out of here, because I was having a hard time. Like, after I get done painting my kit, and when I was squeezing the kit to pop the eyes, I was getting my paint to crack, because you've been in the kit all the way up trying to get the eyes in there. So now I found a better way where I haven't had that problem. So I'll show you guys that. But you guys have an awesome day. Manifest great thing. Remember, whatever you put your mind to, you can do. So I'm definitely going to get this rooting better, 100%. Like I said, with the girls, it's not a problem. The longer hair babies, but the fine detail is where I need to keep going and practice. You guys have an awesome day. Good night. Well, not good night. Have a good rest of your day, because it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Bye-bye.